Let me tell you the real reason most people suck at selling. It's not the product, it's not the price, it's not the script. It's because they don't understand how human brain works. Selling is not talking, selling is not convincing, selling is not begging someone, give me a chance. Selling is psychology, and when you understand psychology, you can sell anything to anyone without sounding desperate. Today, I'm giving you 8 dark psychology tricks used by top closers, entrepreneurs, and marketers. The kind that turn maybe into yes and yes into paid. Let's begin. Trick number 1, the frame control switch. Most beginners start a conversation from weakness. Hey, let me explain. So basically what you do is, I promise this won't take so long. The moment you say that, your frame collapses. Humans follow the person with a stronger frame. So instead of explaining yourself, you open with a question that flips everything. Before we start, what made you interested in this? Boom. Now they justify the call. They reveal their problem, they chase the value. You instantly become the authority, and authority closes the deal before you even pitch. Frame isn't arrogance, frame is leadership. Trick number 2, the expert gap. People don't buy from the best, they buy from whoever sounds the most certain. If you sound unsure, the brain rejects you instantly. But if you speak with clarity, the brain relaxes and follow. The wrong, we improve your marketing. The correct, you're losing attention in the first 2 seconds because your hook doesn't establish value. Your audience is confused, and confused people scroll. Experts don't describe, experts diagnose. And when you diagnose the problem better than they can describe it, they assume you can solve it. Clarity is equal to authority. Authority is equal to trust, and trust is equal to money. Trick number 3, yes momentum. The brain loves consistency. If someone says yes once, they're more likely to say yes again. So you create yes momentum right from the start. Example, you hear me clearly, right? Yes. You are here because you want better results, right? Yes. And you're okay being honest with me today? Yes. You're not manipulating. You are synchronizing their mind. By the time you reach your offer, their brain is already in yes mode. Momentum closes deals faster than persuasions. Trick number 4, the future snap. People don't buy what you do. They buy what life looks like after you do it. So instead of explaining your product, you snap them into the future. Imagine 30 days from now, and this problem doesn't exist anymore. That one sentence forces the brain to visualize relief, clarity, confidence, a better life. Humans don't buy the present, they buy the upgraded version of themselves. You're not selling editing, you're selling consistency and attention. You're not selling coaching, you're selling clarity and confidence. You're not selling software, you're selling time and control. People don't buy tools, they buy transformations. Trick number 5, pain, expansion, question. Humans act fast when they feel pain. So you ask the one question that wakes them up. What happens if we don't fix this in the next 90 days? And then you shut up. Silence forces the brain to tell the truth. I'll fall behind, I'll lose money, my competitors will win, my stress will get worse, I'll regret this later. You're not scaring them, you are revealing the reality. Most people ignore the cost of doing nothing. This question forces them to face it. Once they feel the pain of staying the same, action becomes the only logical choice. Trick number 6, the value ladder stack. Dropping the price too early kills sales. The brain cannot judge price without understanding the value first. So you stack. You're getting X and Y and Z, and my entire A to Z systems, plus supports, plus implementation, plus accountability. And only then you say the price. Now $1,000 feels tiny because humans don't compare price to price. They compare price to perceived value. You build a ladder, then introduce the number. That's how professionals sell. Trick 7, the power pause. After you say the price, stop talking. Most beginners panic. So the price is $1,000, but you get this and I can't give a discount if it's only because stop. Silence is confidence. Silence is control. Silence forces them to think. The person who speaks first after the price loses leverage. Say the number, pause. Let the silence close the deal. Trick 8. The zero breaks close. People don't fear buying. They fear regret. So you remove regret. If this doesn't help you in 30 days, I fix it free. If you don't see result from the first delivery, you don't pay. If this isn't worth it in 1 week, I instantly refund. No questions. This flips the brain from what if this fails to this is how top closers close impossible deals. So because you're still watching, here's the bonus tip for you. People don't buy based on logic. They buy based on identity. So you ask, do you want to stay where you are or move like the people who actually gets results? This forces a choice. Stay the same person or become the upgraded version. You're not selling a product. You're selling identity. And identity is greater than logic every time. Look, selling is not manipulation. Selling is not communication. It's understanding how the brain makes decisions and communicating with a way that aligns with it. When you use these psychological principles ethically, you're not tricking people. You're helping them to make decisions they already know is right. Improving your sales skills is improving your life skills. Because the people who win the business, the people who understand people. Learn psychology, use it wisely, and use it ethically. And you will be unstoppable. Yes, you. If this video helped you even a little, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and your family and keep improving.